Session 9. Simple sentences. Simple sentences. Present tense. What is Rama doing? Ramah kim karoti? Rama is reading. Ramah patati. Krishna is playing. Krishnah kridati. Gopalah is coming. Gopalah pravishati. Govinda is seeing. Govindah pashyati. Parvati is listening. Parvati prachati. Shiva is speaking. Shivah kathayati.